If you are looking for a free AI video editor or text-to-video AI, without wanting to spend a single dollar from your wallet, and without any installation required, you are in the right tutorial video. This tool also includes a free text-to-speech feature, and you can master this tool by following this simple step-by-step tutorial. And now, let's get started. Part 1. Register. In this tutorial, we will use Augie AI to create a video for a social media post. Go to the Augie AI video generator website. You can find the link in this video's description. Click the Sign Up Here button, enter the required information, and click the Create Account button to continue. Part 2. Text-to-Video AI. After finishing the registration, log in to your Augie AI dashboard. Click the Create button to start creating your AI video. You can start by using existing audio-video or an existing script. In this example, we will start from scratch, so choose the I'm starting from scratch option to continue. Now, select your video objective by filling in necessary information such as the goal of the video, target audience, location, and voice tone. Type your prompt on the topic input, explaining what you want to create using natural language. Click the Let's Go button to start generating your AI video script. Part 3. Edit and AI voiceover. After the script generation process is finished, you can continue using the generated script or edit it if necessary. If you don't like the generated script, click Back and generate a new AI script until you find the best one. After that, select an AI voice actor from the voice option menu.
Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration.
Click the Preview button to generate an AI voiceover. Click the Play button to listen to the result.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a journey into the mesmerizing tapestry of ancient Greece. Prepare to be captivated by the legendary tales.
A quick tip. If you only need the AI voiceover result, you can download it from the Options menu and click the Download button. If you like the voiceover, click the Let's Go button to continue. Part 4. Orientation. Select the desired video orientation by clicking the Change button and click Next to continue. Part 5. Appearance. In this step, you need to choose the video or image sources suggested by Augie AI. Check the media sources you want to use or uncheck them if you don't want to use the suggested sources. You can also use your own media. You can specify media by typing your keyword in the keyword bar. This will minimize the unpredictability of the results. Click Next to continue. Part 6. Review and rendering. Now, let's review our video script, orientation, and appearance before rendering the final video. If everything is good, click the Check button and then click Create to continue rendering your AI video. Part 7. Video Editor. After the rendering process is complete, click the generated video to open it in the video editor. In this video editor, you can easily change the video parts. Click or select the video part you want to change. Click Select Media and choose from sources such as stock photos, clips, Bing search, animated GIFs, or AI-generated images. You can also select media orientation from this menu. After that, type the desired keyword in the search bar and click Search to display media from the selected sources. Select media from the search results to change your current video part. Repeat these steps for other video parts or scenes if needed. You can also use your own media by uploading it from the My Library menu and clicking the Upload button. Alternatively, you can ask AI to generate AI art from the Generate menu by typing your prompt in the prompt bar and then clicking the Generate button. Part 8. Transcript and Text. You can edit the video transcript from the Transcript menu and add closed captions to the video from the Text menu. Part 9. Music, Filter and Effect. To make our video more engaging, go to the Music menu and select your desired music. Now, let's add some filters to our video by selecting Filters from the Filters menu. From the Effect menu, you can edit video transitions and video size. After everything is set, click Download Video to download your final video. Here is the video result from this AI video generator tutorial.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a journey into the mesmerizing tapestry of ancient Greece. Prepare to be captivated by the legendary tales and the rich heritage that shaped Western civilization as we know it. As we delve into the history of Greece, let us embark on a voyage through time.
If you are looking for another AI video editing tutorial, you can watch this video. Bye-bye!